3 of the statements are true, 1 is false. Identify the false statement. Something to keep in mind with these problems is if we have our unit circle, if you have a point, say right there, and then you add 2 pi, you're going to go all the way around the circle and end up exactly where you started. So let's see. Sine pi over 3 equals sine of 7 pi over 3. What do we add to pi over 3 to get 7 pi over 3? Well, pi over 3 plus x equals 7 pi over 3. Therefore, x equals, we'll subtract 1 over 3 pi from both sides. We get 6 pi over 3, which simplifies to 2 pi. So if pi over 3 is about there, we're adding 2 pi to get to 7 pi over 3. We've done one complete rotation and we're in the exact same place, which means the sine value is the same for both. So that is true. Here we have sine 1, and 1 is about somewhere around there as well, at 57 degrees, equals sine of 1 minus 2 pi. So if you take this point and you say, what is this point minus 2 pi? 2 pi is a complete circle. So minus just means we move clockwise around and we end up in the exact same place. Therefore, this is also true. The sine value will be the same for both. So we can cross that out. Sine of 3 pi over 2 equals sine of 5 pi over 3. Let's see, what do we add to 3 pi over 2 to get 5 pi over 3? So that would be x equals, well, we need common denominators, so let's make this 6 and 9, and that's 6 and 10. So x equals, this is a little messy, 9 over 6. So 10 minus 9 is 1 over 6 pi. So this is not 2 pi, it's not pi, this is just a small, so we're moving from, so 3 pi over 2 is 1.5 pi, so we're here, and then we're just adding a 1/6 of a pi, so we end up there. So these will not have the same sign values, therefore C is C is the answer. Did not mean to cross it out. That is the answer. Here we have sine pi over 5 equals sine of 21 pi over 5. What do we add to pi over 5 to get 21 pi over 5? Well, x equals, we'll subtract 1 pi over 5, so we get 20 pi over 5, which simplifies to 4 pi. So if our point originally is over here somewhere, we're going around the circle twice. We go once, that's 2 pi, and then again, that's 4 pi. So we end up in the exact same place, which means the sine values will be the same. The answer to this question is C.